Isang araw sa isang taon, may napaka-espesyal na selebrasyon ng mga bata, piling bata, isip bata, pero isa na okasyon.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tinay! We wish you all the best. Greetings from Amtrak Bukidnon.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tinay! Love you, Ma'am!
Love you.
Happy birthday to our lady boss, who is not just a leader, but a true inspiration. Your dedication to excellence, compassion in leadership, and commitment to team growth have not only driven our success, but also made the workplace a more enjoyable and meaningful place. Here's to another year for your inspiring journey. Ma'am Tinay, happy birthday from Amtrak Family CBO.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Tinay! Wishing you all the best and God bless you always po from Team Zamboanga.
All the way from Amtrak Butuan, we extend our heartfelt birthday greetings to you, Ma'am Tinay. We wish you a happy birthday. We are grateful for your unending dedication to our company and for your continued support to Amtrak Butuan. Wishing you a fantastic birthday filled with joy, good health, and all happiness you deserve. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, Ma'am!
Happy 45th birthday, Mars! Alam mo yan, na 45 ka na, hindi mo lang matanggap sa sarili mo. So, happy birthday! And sobrang happy ako sa friendship natin, inside and outside work. And sobrang dami mong natulong sa akin personally, regardless kung sa pagkakaibigan natin at sa trabaho natin. Salamat sa leadership, salamat sa advice na vice versa natin binibigay sa isa't isa, and most especially maraming salamat sa patuloy na paglaban para sa bawat isa na nandyan sa Mindanao, lalo na sa Davao team. So happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you! Bye! PS, hindi mo birthday ngayon, Jovelyn, kaya huwag ka magbida-bida dyan. Kitang-kita kita kahit wala ako dyan.